Imagine this. You are at the gym ready for your workout. So you open your gym app. The interface is sleek, easy to use, and in just a few taps, you have booked a session for you. Everything looks perfect, but when you get there, the machine you need is occupied or broken. Frustrating, right? This is where UI and UX come into play. The app itself, that's a user interface or UI. It's digital, it's on screen. But what about the experience you had when the equipment wasn't ready for you? That is user experience or UX. And it goes way beyond the screen. Why UI design is digital, but UX design goes beyond screens. The basics of UI vs UX design. Let's break it down. UI or user interface is what you see and touch on digital screens, something like buttons, colors, the layout of an app. It's all about aesthetics and interactions. On the other hand, UX or user experience goes deeper. It's how a product or service makes you feel both on and off the screen. UI, visuals, interactions on screens. UX, experience usability across physical and digital worlds. In short, UI is a part of UX, but UX is much bigger. It is about your entire journey, whether it's interacting with an app or getting what you need in the real world. UI design is all about the digital world. It's where we make apps, websites, and dashboards not just look good, but feel intuitive. Ever admire a beautifully designed app? That's the power of great UI. Good UI guides users effortlessly. It's clean, simple, and functional, but it's only a small part of the bigger picture. UX design is more than just the interface, but UX design, that's a full of experience. It's not just how easy the app is to use, it's about everything that happens before, during, and after the digital interactions. UI, what happens on the screen? UX, what happens before, during, and after. From booking a session to finding available equipment and even how the gym environment makes you feel, that is all part of UX. If any part of this journey breaks down, your experience suffers, no matter how beautiful the app looks. Real world UX design, it's not always digital. Here is where UX gets really interesting. Take this gym for an example. The layout, how easy it is to find the machines, the cleanliness, that's all part of the user experience. Whether it's walking through a museum or using a coffee machine, UX design can enhance physical spaces and products just like it does on screen. Think of IKEA. Their store layout is carefully designed experience that guides you through each section with ease. That's UX in action, no screens involved. Real-time digital UX examples in actions. Let's get back to the digital world. UX goes beyond pretty screens. It's about creating full immersive experiences. IKEA Place, AR for furniture shopping. IKEA Place lets you place furniture in your room with the help of AR. The app UI is smooth, but it's the overall experiences that really shines, helping users make confident decisions. Slack, threaded conversations. Slack organizes the conversations into threads, keeping things neat in busy channels. A small UI tweaks that makes the overall experience less chaotic. Spotify Wrapped, personalized data insights. And who doesn't love Spotify Wrapped? It turns data into a personalized shareable story, creating an emotional connections with the users. Balancing UI and UX for optimal design. So how do you balance UI and UX? As designers, we need to make sure our interface look good and are easy to use. But don't stop there. Think about the whole user journey. Test your designs, get feedback, and iterate. Remember, a great UI won't matter if the overall experience leaves users frustrated. The future of UX UI design beyond the screens. In our increasingly digital world, it's easy to focus on what's on the screen. But don't forget, UX goes far beyond that. Whether it's an app or real-world interaction, good design enhances every part of life. The future of design is about more than pixels. It's about crafting seamless, enjoyable experiences everywhere. Don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into the world of UX and UI design. Want to save big on your design education? We are offering education scholarships for students and savings for working professionals. It's a perfect time to level up your skills. Don't miss it. Subscribe for more insights and I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.